So the reason why I wanted to do the Y strap with you today is because when you have this like electric, kind of like electric field like sensations, what you're feeling is nerves. It's pinched nerves.
Right.
So after, what was it, long drives, long flights, all that stuff, what it does is it causes compression, excessive compression in your spine. Gravity, weight, luggage, sitting for extended periods of time. So when you have that excessive compression downward on your spine, it pinches the nerves more, and that's what you're feeling.
Got it.
So if we just hook you up to the Y strap and decompress you, we're going to take all that pressure off.
Let's go.
Let's go. So you're just going to take deep breaths. How did that feel?
Oh, I'm
Love
sure
it.
it went all the way down. I didn't feel it. I felt it go like my mid back.
Nice. That's awesome. Give yourself a big hug.
I started sweating.
And oh yeah. There we go. Oh, that was beautiful. Wow. Very nice.